I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end.
Oh, it's an early morning. I hate early mornings, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah. Oh, you gonna work? You gonna work? No? Okay. Demons, they don't always work, you know. It's mad. Cold start. So yeah guys, quick intro to the video. That little rattling noise, that's what I'm gonna go get sorted out tonight, or today, sorry, this morning. I believe my wastegates are done out here, I'm not sure. I was doing an inspection and it looked like my vacuum lines were done. So I don't know, I'm gonna take it to PMP Cars. Heard they're amazing, some of the best people to work on the N54 in the UK. They're based in Coventry. Literally on the forums, everybody talks about them. So luckily I managed to do the madness and get a slot booked in right before Christmas, which was literally incredibly hard, but I managed to pat my way through it. So yeah, we'll do a quick vlog there, see what they say about the vehicle, shoot some cool cars, and yeah, that's it. Oh, that guy is blazing, man. We've got a new GTI in front of us, the new Golf GTI. That's mad. That's mad. They look kind of weird from the front to me, you know. Like the whole light bar thing across it kind of makes it look a bit like off. But let's see it. Yeah, it's alright, man. It looks good. Could do with some lowering and that, but apart from that, it's not bad, isn't it? Ah, there's a perfect there's a perfect road here to showcase what's actually wrong with the car. So as soon as I floor it, now it wants to work. Now it wants to work after I floor it. Yeah, okay, but sometimes guys, when I floor it, it goes into limp mode, which is really weird, and it will just cut power by, like, it'll go to reduce power. So I don't know, like, I don't know what's actually wrong with the car. I believe it was it's a boost leak, but it could be my wastegates and I'm not sure. So we're gonna go to them to get them to check it out anyway, just because, like, seems to be working now, but that's crazy. This car is such a headache, man. Literally, it is the biggest headache. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it will work, and then sometimes it won't. I wonder if that caused it. There we go. Limp mode. Boom. There we go. That's to be honest, like, that's not what we want to happen, but the fact that it does happen, that means that obviously now they can diagnose it, so then they can. But yeah, now it's in limp mode, so it's not going to boost properly. Yeah, half hour. Yo guys, so welcome back to the next video. I'm just walking away from PMP Cars right now, just because they're doing their stuff and I don't want to disturb them, whatever. But yeah, so quite a lot wrong with the car. Everything that you didn't wrong with your N54 335I has gone wrong. Oil filter housing gasket, everything. Literally, rocker cover gasket done. My wastegates done. That was, and yeah, my intercooler piping as well. So literally boost leak galore, oil leak galore. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get everything fixed today. P&P Cars, the guys here are just doing wastegate repair and the intercooler piping, the little plastic bit repair. So not too bad. It's a bit of damage, but it's not too bad. I guess this is the facts of owning a BMW. But I wanted to take a second to talk to you guys, because it's funny how people, like on my Insta, if you guys don't follow me on Insta, it's mgkg_official. A while ago I put up like what's better, Jap or German? And this is my first German, and literally like I've had it for about a week and it's already going back into the garage. I might have got just a shitter, but at the end of the day, like, I know that a lot of people will back Germans because they're reliable or whatever. But one thing I will say is the build quality is so much nicer than all my Japanese cars. That's the one thing I'll give you guys who are into German cars, and that it's so much better. But yeah, literally, it's looking like an expensive day today. But these guys are the only guys who do wastegate repair, so definitely come and hit them up. I've come all the way to Coventry. It's far for me, but I've gone all the way to Coventry just to get this stuff done. And then hopefully it can do like a nice, obviously be on stock turbos for a while, because you've always got big plans to go like 700 bhp. It's going to be a madness. But yeah, I mean, I guess I got finessed by the previous owner, because he didn't floor it when he was driving it, but we sorted something out. So it's not too much damage, but yeah, I got finessed kind of low-key. Just make sure you guys, like, when you're test driving your 335Is, make sure you get them to floor it. Even if they're afraid they're gonna crash or whatever, most likely, if they own the car, they know what it's like to floor it. So I'd say get them to floor it so you can see if there's any limp mode codes or anything like that. Because I thought it was a vacuum leak, but it's a whole lot more. So I'll see you guys in the next, I'll see you guys when we pick up. I'm gonna do a drive after. So yeah, we'll see what it's like when I get that, strap the GoPro on my head and that. But yeah.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me.
Sorry about the copyrighted music. Yeah, so Martin, the owner of P&P Cars, he said that for us to get the wastegate fixed properly, you actually have to flash. Well, you don't have to, but it's better if I'm going to go MHD anyway, which I am. We're actually flashing stage 1 onto it right now, so it's going to be quicker than what I've had it before. Stage 1 is roughly around 360, so this is going to be it's going to be very interesting. Here's the little adapter here, and you can actually map off your phone. So I don't know if you guys knew that, but it's doing the mapping here. First attempt at flashing MHD failed. I'm guessing just because of the Wi-Fi, whatever. But it says it's got 19 minutes left, and it's flashing onto there on the MHD adapter. So hopefully, fingers crossed, works this time.
Cold spark plugs replaced.
Spark plugs replaced, yeah.
Bosch one.
No, I don't know. I don't know, man. I haven't checked them myself. But I thought because of the rocker cover gasket, it might leak oil into the. But it leak oil into the. Oh yeah, misfire. Yeah. So right now we've got misfire. Nice. Sounds like a headache.
It wasn't like a misfire this time, I believe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's load of. Oh, misfire is in the one again. So still something wrong.
So some more testing. He fitted a second-hand coil, and he thinks it's a bad one. So we're going to another coil to do some more testing. If not, then it's plugs, and if not, then it's injector. So fingers crossed, it's not injector or anything like that. Bloody hell, that was fast. Apple was hard. Bloody hell, man. very strong, very strong boost, man. Like really kicks in hard.
When you get the monitor, you do the look and check everything.
Yeah. For the leaks and stuff. Yeah, man. So we're finished all at P&P Cars, guys. Car feels amazing. I would do I'm gonna do a first drive video, but I'm not gonna do it today. Might get filmed tomorrow, but yeah, we done a police. Where they at? Where the feds? Oh, they in here. Oh yeah, feds. Oh boy. Oh, more police. More police. What? That feels amazing. We had a bad coil pack as well, so we got that replaced, and now, yeah, this car is a beast. Honestly, like, man, I love this car to bits. Like, I love it to bits. Don't worry, guys. You guys will witness the sauce, because there's more sauce coming. This was just a little thing to be in the meantime, but when the sauce actually hits, boy, you man are in for something. I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. Thanks for joining in the video. If you're new here, make sure you like, share and subscribe, because I've got plenty more N54 335I content coming. Just a summary of the video. If you made it this far, thank you. Wastegates got fixed. We got a stage 1 from MHD, had the coil, so that got replaced. But yeah, we missed out on the oil filter housing gasket and the rocker cover gasket. That's all good, because in the new year it's going back to P&P anyway, and they're going to be sorting all the maintenance side and everything, which is key for your 335i performance. But until now, it has been amazing. Apart from I get one code, which is cylinder injection cut out. People keep on telling me it's my high pressure fuel pump, but I have an invoice in the service history for that getting replaced still. I don't know how it can be there. I'm thinking weak low pressure fuel pump. I haven't bought the monitoring license from MHD yet, so it's a no-brainer really. You gotta get that, so I can monitor the PSI. Anyway, yeah, I mean, if you guys are new, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I don't think you wanna get out of these